Welcome. This is how to fix Outlook that's not showing pictures. So if you ever encounter this, just simply go for the file on the top left. And now over here, go for the options. Now on the options tab, just simply go for Trust Center and go for Trust Center settings. Now from here, you should be able to see here automatic download. From here, just make sure to uncheck these two options over here. And right after that, just simply select OK. And this should fix the issue. And there you go. That's how to fix Outlook that's not showing pictures. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And guys, if you have any more questions about your problems on Outlook, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and then I will do my best to answer them all. And see you guys on the next video.